Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to madam and friends. So I'm Mama Hairi bin JOHARI from S1G2 lalu to present about the lab 2. Okay, so for the lab 2, my partner Muhammad AMIN of have already designed the interface. So on my right is there is the interface. Okay, so I will present about the function of the website for the lab 2. Okay, so for the lab 2, the interface is about the form. So so there is have the several of method. So for the first method is name. And then next is date and time of the user birthday, the user age, and then the user favorite color, user hobby, and user personality. Okay, so I will show about the website function. Okay, so for the firstly, I would like to uh, put the first name. So the first name is Muhammad, last name is Hairi. Okay, so for the month, is the user can choose the month. So month is March, and then date. So the date will the output is can user can click and then pop out the calendar. Okay. So we choose the year. So the year for example is 2000, and then this month March, and then the day is 9. Okay. So the output will be for this date. Okay, so for the time is we like to choose the time, for example, 5:25. Okay, so the output for time like this. And then the age we starting 20, and then if the user is older, user can click the up button, so the number will getting larger. And then if the user are younger, can click the down button, so the number becomes smaller. Okay, so that is for the age. And then for the favorite color, if user want to choose the favorite color, so user can click the the rectangle. It's like a button. So if the user click, and then the pop-up will be like this. Okay, so user can choose anything color what they want, such as user want to uh green. Okay, so they can choose any green what they want. Okay, so that is for the color. And then hobby, the user can choose one or more the hobby like to play, such as cycling, badminton, and playing game. So that's a hobby. And then the personality is user can choose one personality only. So for the example, the user is introvert. So if they click introvert, user cannot choose more than one of the personality. Okay. So if the user is introvert, just introvert. Cannot be introvert, extrovert, and openness. Okay. Because there is the radio button. Use the radio button, and then so there is they can use one personality only. Okay. So if the user complete to fill the form correctly, So user can user can click the submit button. Submit button or clear button. So user actually must click the submit button. Okay, so if user click clear, so the form is getting clear, and then the data cannot be submit into the database. So if the user click button submit, and then the data will save into the database. But for the lab 2 is we no insert the database on this lab. So I click the submit button. So the data of the user will be submit to database. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.